Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We want to continue from our beginner tutorial series. We did F major chord in our previous tutorial so we added up to the G, C, D, A minor, E minor, and we also had the D minor some time ago. So we want to add the F as well. So just like we did the practice for the A minor, C, G minor, and the D, we want to do a similar one for this particular one, including the F chord. So maybe we practice the F chord and you were like, we learned the F chord, so what am I going to use that for? Maybe this tutorial is for you if you want to know how you're going to use this particular chord. So this tutorial will also help you with the transitioning between chords. So let's like we did G, C, D, C. That one was for G. We can do the same for C because it was 1, 4, 5, 4. So C, the 4 is F. Now we've learned the F, we can put the F in there, and the 5 is G. So we can do C, 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 F, G, G, F, C, C, F, G, G, F, C, C, F, G, G, F. So that's it. That's another thing, and you can try D minor, A minor, C. We are just using all the chords of it. G. We can go D minor, F, D minor, F, A minor, C, and G, B minor, and the F, A minor, C, G, D minor. You can just be playing, or I think I interchanged the A minor, C, and G. Anyway, that works for you. So just try and practice between these chords, and I think maybe this strumming pattern is much easier for beginners. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. This is just for practice. You're just practicing the chords so that you'll be able to remember and be able to do the transitioning. Your 1, 2, 3. Don't forget, if you are still a beginner, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this one, you want to look at where you are barring. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'll leave it here, and thank you for watching this tutorial this far, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and share, leave in the comment section if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to see my videos. Thank you. See you next time.